Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW Tab 16 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this tablet. Now before you get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device and the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, but to do so, we first need to take off the case, if you have one on, obviously. And the tray is located at the bottom of the device where you have the charging port. Grabbing a little tool, insert it into right here, this tray area, and then push it in. Come on, there we go. Once it pops out, you can then pull it out fully. You can see that on the tray we have space for SIM card and SD card. So I'm going to place each one of these cards. Come on, there we go. Now it looks, let me just quickly check, like the tray also takes a double SIM cards. So you can use two different SIM cards at the same type, or one SIM and one SD card. So I'm going to move this one over to its dedicated spot. There we go. And come on. Now the tray right here isn't the greatest, so be very careful when inserting the cards or the tray itself into the device, as there's nothing holding those cards in place and they are just kind of like barely laying on there. So don't pop out. Okay, we're trying. There we go. And once you insert the tray, as you can see, the cards should start working right away. So it's telling me to verify my SIM card pin, which I'll do right now. So the SIM card obviously is working, and next will be the SD card, which we should have some kind of notification, hopefully. I guess not. Oh, nope, never mind, that's a SIM card. Let's go into settings and storage space. And here we have it, our SD card. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.